I've worn it down to basically here without clicking the button, which is perfect, and the wiper seal's still engaged. So there's about 2 mil, 3 mil left of soap at this stage. Nothing's falling out from the wiper seal. It's foaming like crazy, as you can see when I paint. The user challenge we're gonna have is this next bit. So if I click it up, nothing fires out, but now that is the last click of the ratchet. So that's the last bit of soap that a user's got. It's out of the wiper seal, but it's still very holding on just. It's not coming out, but it's not fused. So it's being held by the wiper seal by the very end bit, which is great. But the moment I put it onto my arm, I've now lost it. And so it was being held by the very last bit, but we've now got an issue where we've got the last of the soap. And so that's now cracked, and we've now lost that. So it holds it right till the end, but you don't know as a user how much you've got left in that final click, and it pops. It looks like it's fine, but I put it onto my body and you've just seen it just drop out of there. So we need to think about that last bit, because the wiper seal is working so well, as intended, it's not fusing the soap to the bottom.
So soap profile that way, so we know we've got this radius, and the soap goes down, and then we've got this radius because it's the same. The wiper seal, do you remember when it was engaging here, it wasn't touching the soap, and that's why we push the soap further out, so the wiper seal engages on the soap. So when we're getting to the end, the final 1.5 mil, 3 mil, the wiper seal is not engaging because it's on the bottom radius, hence why it's falling out. So a quick test, we roughly cut off the bottom radius. So if we load it the normal way, which we were testing, and Mike, you were testing yesterday, so this is the radius at the bottom. So final click, it's popped out. And then if I spin it round, so now we've got no radius at the bottom. So you can see the wiper seal is engaged. I've cut it at a really bad angle, but the wiper seal is engaged and it hasn't automatically popped out.
So what are we planning on doing then?
So I think we need to reduce or take off the radius of the soap. We've got a bigger soap as well, which will engage in the wiper seal more. And then also we are doing a thicker version of the wiper seal as well. So I think the priority
I want to just draw the profile of the new soap, but what we just to keep it crystal clear. But it's literally just that.
And in use, these corners will easily get rounded off at the top. We just can't have it rounding off at the bottom. Okay, so to fill you with some confidence, this is a 3D printed block of the CAD that we've just sent to Genomex for the soap. So this is hard plastic, super slippy, and it's never going to adhere to the pusher. So this is going to be the worst case scenario possible. So this is about 10 mil. So this is what was falling out previously. So we've kept everything the same, and we've removed the 1.5 mil on the pusher.
And there's no rads on it.
And there's no rads. So that's at its final point. So that's right at the top, final ratchet, and that is not coming out. You can see where the wiper seal is engaged.
Just part the old bristles. There you go.
So that's as it should be, and that is, there's no chance that's going to come out. You have to really pull out that last bit. And then if I do the same with a smaller bar, so again, that's top of the pusher. And there's no water adhesion, it's never gonna stick to the pusher. And that, we're gonna have to, again, peel out the last bit.